The good we do today becomes the happiness of tomorrow. William James. When I read that quote, what comes up for me is the gift of going within to heal those wounded parts of ourselves that can be deeply tucked away like leftovers placed in a sealed container. While those wounded parts may not always be present, they can be activated in a moment's notice, ultimately robbing us of our happiness. One of the best things I've ever done for myself is to invest in programs that support emotional healing. Not a band-aid, not a temporary fix, a true healing of the wound. Because it's my belief that we are here on this planet to thrive, not simply survive. And the best way to make that happen is to do the work, to show up for ourselves and to show up for others. Louise's teachings have changed my life. If it's on your heart to support others in their healing, I strongly encourage you to check out a Heal Your Life workshop, Louise's books, and/or better yet, join us at an upcoming Heal Your Life Teachers Training in Tampa, Florida, or San Diego, California. Click on my website in the bio or on this page for details and to get yourself registered. There's no time like the present to claim your happiness.